Hi everybody, this is Aika and I'm officially hooked on Bottega Veneta. We have an unboxing to do. We have a few things to discuss as well. So yesterday I went to Bottega Veneta looking for this item and they had it in my size, so there is a hint, it's a pair of shoes. I've been so into Bottega recently. I really love everything they're producing right now. I really love the new Bottega, the new refreshed, revived Bottega. I love all of their bags, the dumpling, the cassette bag, Jody bag. All of these bags are so stunning and I cannot wait to add at least one or two of these bags into my collection. But I've been also looking at this one item. It is so heavy, oh my god. Here is the crazy green colored box. I also really love their packaging. A lot of people say it's ridiculous, but honestly it is so bold and so cool, so edgy. So I saw this item a couple of weeks ago. I was searching all over the internet to find these shoes and they're just sold out in every color, in every size. I mean, my size. I am usually 37 and a half, completely sold out. I couldn't find them anywhere, so I decided to go to the store directly and ask them, and guess what? They did have both of my sizes. These shoes run big. Let me open them for you so you get to see what I bought, but I am super freaking excited. They're so out of my comfort zone. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna fit them into my style because I've been trying to become more of a classic girl, like a boring classic girl. But when I saw these shoes, I was like, F that, I need them. So they come with two humongous dust bags. Honestly, these are the thickest, the heaviest dust bags I've ever seen in my life. And I mean, very high quality, very heavy. Too heavy and too thick, but whatever. Then there is some wrapping paper as always. Are you guys ready to see them? Oh my god. Here are the boots that I got. They are so freaking cool. I swear they're the coolest shoes I own. So amazing, and I love the color. I was looking for this color everywhere and it was just not available. Then I went to the store. This was the only color available there. They have them in black but with the different sole colors. So they have them in the red, in green, in brown I believe as well, and in black. Everything was sold out, but they had the white. They received them like 2 days ago I believe, maybe 3, can't remember, but they had my size. They had both of the sizes. So these shoes, they run a bit bigger, so I would say go half size down. The SA told me that I needed to go a size, like a full size down, so she brought me 36 and a half, and that was too tight, so I went for the 37. 37 is a little bit big on me, but I think if I wear some chunky socks in winter, they'll be just perfect. They are the sickest shoes I've seen. I love the chunky sole of the boot. Can you see? It is so big. It is quite heavy as well. I mean, the actual boot... Sorry we got caught. My memory card was full, so I had to delete some files. So the top part of the boots feels very light. What makes them heavy is definitely the bottom, the sole part. As you can see, it is so thick. It is so heavy. It might definitely hurt your feet a bit more if you wear them for a long time, but at the same time I feel like it's kind of an exercise, and this way I might lose even more weight. We'll see. They have this elastics on the side so you can easily put them on and take them off. They have 2 giant loops on both front and back, and I'm not sure why they are here, but they just make this boot look so much cooler. I got the ones with the clear sole. I think they look so cool, and I'm planning on styling them with my white Max Mara coat. I think both together will look so freaking cool. And just in general, I wanted something super edgy, and I also love the new season style of the boots because they have this waves around the boot, which makes them look so interesting. There is just something about these boots that I love, especially the color. I've been really into white lately, and I feel like all of my boots are in black, and I really wanted something of a different color, but not something crazy at the same time, something wearable, I would say. And I think this combination of black and white is perfect because I love wearing black and white during winter especially. So I'm gonna try them on very quickly so you can see how they look on. They definitely make your feet look a lot larger than they actually are, again because of the sole. It is so humongous. They were priced really well, because usually when you go to Chanel or LV, boots there are, I think they start at 1,500, maybe even more. In Chanel they can go up to 2,000 and even more than that. These boots were 1,060 Swiss francs, and I think that's such a good price. And I've been also a huge fan of the Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. They were never available in my size, and then I just got over them because I saw so many of them on the internet all the time. Everybody was wearing them, so I got a little bit sick of them. But now I think this is my replacement of those sneakers, because these boots are as chunky as those sneakers and they look so cool. So now let me show you a couple of mod shots. This is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about the boots? Let me know in the comments down below, and also leave me a comment of how are you feeling about the new Bottega. Are you loving it? Are you hating it? Let's have a conversation. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.